Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore the world of Python in just 3 minutes. Python is a beginner-friendly high-level programming language used by developers all over the world. With the help of Jupyter Notebook, learning Python has become easier. What makes Python so popular is its simplicity, reliability, and ease of use. Jupyter Notebook is an open-source web-based tool that is used for interactive data science and scientific computing. With the help of Jupyter Notebook, you can easily create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualization, and narrative text. To install Jupyter Notebook on your PC, head over to the official Anaconda website and download the installer for your system. In Jupyter Notebook, you create notebooks which are documents that contain both the code you write and its output. To create a new notebook, click on the new drop-down menu on the right side and select Python 3. Congratulations, you have now created your first notebook. In Python, we make use of several data types such as strings, integers, floating point numbers, and boolean. To get a message in Python, we use the print function. Python also has several operators such as arithmetic and logical operators, as you can see on the screen. To better understand the basics of Python programming, we will write a simple code which concatenates the first and last names. Thank you so much for watching this 3-minute introductory tutorial to Python with Jupyter Notebook. We have covered only the basics in this video, but I hope this has given you a great starting point if you are new to programming. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you code, the better you will understand Python. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching again.